Finally.
Last day. Always the last day. All comes together. That's right.
Yeah. Oh, that was beautiful.
Last day last year.
That was beautiful.
Yeah, it was. That was amazing.
On the last day. Always on the last day. After spending hours waiting in the cold, we get what we came for. And for the third year in a row, this is the magical last day.
We weren't able to spot any animals up with 𝐵𝐺𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵 gonna not take any chances, not risking seeing any animals today, so we're gonna head up to Høgsnyta where we were yesterday. So we gotta go back in the car.
I think let's go find the muskox. A little bit disappointing that we're not going to get these ones, but
Everyone
safe
is
and sorry.
Everyone is safe and sound. Belts on.
Nobody's sound. Some of us are safe.
Okay. Yeah, like Espen said, better to find muskox than not. That was not what he said. If this had been day one, we might have gambled on Grønbakken, but yeah. It's the last day. We want.
No, we need.
We want to see some muskox.
Exactly. No.
So let's take no chances.
No chances.
I'm not sure if you can see it, but right up in the mountainside there's a group of people and they're photographing the same muskox that we saw yesterday. So if we're very lucky, this group will continue further inwards to another group of muskox and we can get them all to ourselves. But we'll see. Either way, it's nice to see that the animals are still there and it's another sunny, beautiful day. It was supposed to be overcast, I'm not sure what happened. It looks like the group is moving away now from the muskox. The muskox are right up there, which is great news for us. We must approach the muskox very slowly, so we're gonna head up the mountain and come down in a circle so we don't spook them over to the other side, because they right now are situated in a pretty good spot and they're up and walking and feeding, so we must not disturb them. Beautiful animals. Incredible. Absolutely fantastic. There are also a group of animals up on the mountain right next to the mountain we're heading. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 animals. Very far away though.
On the first day, we found animals. In the nick of time, just before the light faded, only being able to photograph them for minutes in the beautiful setting sun. Not complaining. On the second day, we found animals. They never stood up, laying down for hours. It was cold, beautiful, not complaining. On our third day, the last day, we found animals. The wind was picking up speed. It was cold, harsh. One of the oxen got up. Definitely not complaining. You're lucky if this moment happens once when you're photographing musk oxen. And we did absolutely feel lucky. This was the moment we had all been waiting for, and we were all ready for it.
That was fantastic. One of the males just decided to get up and start parading in the wind, posing for us, posing for the camera. And we got it on the last day. Fantastic. I'm so happy now.
Finally.
Last day.
Always the
All
last
comes
day.
together. That's right. Yeah.
Oh, that was beautiful.
Last day last
That
year
was
as well.
beautiful.
Yeah, it was.
That was amazing. Absolutely.
I'm not sure what he was thinking. He just got up and just started posing
Yeah.
Such a
in the
poser.
wind.
It was.
I couldn't believe that. That's just.
And then I said, all right, I'm done. I'm just lying back down.
Go home now.
Oh, that was fantastic.
Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, yes. I must have taken about 500 shots.
We had all taken 500 shots, my dear friend, and I do believe we all knew instantly when the moment we had hoped for occurred. We knew exactly when we got it, after hours of waiting. And now everything else the day had to offer officially became a bonus. We had around 2 hours of daylight left, so the bonus had the potential of being quite good. But as we soon noticed, the bonus turned out to be quite windy.
Very important to dress accordingly. So right now I have 3 pair of hats on me. I have 3 woolen sweaters underneath my down jacket. I have 3 pairs of mittens, and I have 3 pairs of pants as well. I'm very, 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 very happy that I brought all these things with me, because otherwise I would be freezing right now. In other news, the muskox are still laying down. They've been laying down now for about an hour, so it's not sure that they will get up again today, but I'm gonna stick around to the end to see if they do, and hopefully maybe they do. We'll see. Alright, I think this evening is coming to an end. It's pretty windy right now, and it's starting to get a bit chilly as well.
Before I go, I just want to do a quick shout out to my friends' YouTube channels. All links are in the description, and if you don't follow them already, I highly suggest you do. They all have their unique style on their videos, and they are brilliant photographers and storytellers. Also, they are excellent human beings. Before I forget, I'm also planning a Q&A video soon. It's been a while since my last one, so if you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section and I'll be... Sorry, I have COVID. And I'll be answering them when the time comes. Alright, see you in the next one.
Hear this outro.